Mastering GMAT and GRE. Making tough questions your friend. Hey, future test takers! Welcome to today's video where we dive deep into how you can efficiently incorporate challenging questions into your study sessions. If you've been feeling overwhelmed by some tough questions, don't fret. By the end of this video, you'll have strategies to make them an integral part of your preparation. Remember, mastering these questions can give you that edge on test day. It's a common question. Why spend more time on hard questions when there are easier ones to answer? The answer lies in three main reasons. 1. Building resilience. Facing challenging questions regularly ensures you won't be thrown off guard during the actual test. 2. Deepening understanding. Tough questions often test fundamental concepts but in nuanced ways. Mastering them means you have a deep understanding of the subject. 3. Time management. With practice, you'll learn how to gauge whether you should spend more time on a question or move on. Before you can practice, you need to identify which questions are tough for you. Here's how. 1. Review past tests. Go through previous mock tests or practice sets. Which questions took the longest? Which ones did you get wrong? 2. Ask for feedback. If you're in a study group or have a tutor, ask them about areas where you seem to struggle. 3. Trust your instinct. As you practice, you'll develop an intuition about which questions feel tough. Take note of them. Now, the meat of the matter. Here's how you can make challenging questions a regular part of your study. 1. Dedicated sessions. Allocate specific times in your study schedule solely for tackling tough questions. This allows you to dive deep without distractions. 2. Break them down. Before attempting the answer, break the question down. What's it really asking? Are there multiple parts? Understanding is half the battle. 3. Seek help. If a question stumps you even after several attempts, it's okay to seek help. Discuss with peers, tutors, or refer to solution guides. 4. Review and reflect. After solving, spend time reflecting. Why was this question difficult? How did you overcome it? This reflection makes it easier to tackle similar questions in the future. 5. Regular revisits. Don't just solve a tough question and forget about it. Revisit it in future study sessions. The aim is to find it easier each time. Tough questions can be intimidating, but with consistent practice and the right strategies, they become invaluable learning opportunities. Remember, every challenging question you conquer boosts your confidence and brings you one step closer to acing the GMAT or GRE. Keep pushing, keep practicing, and you'll see the results on test day. Best of luck, and see you in the next video.